no? And then I remember my mentor and coach, no, in public speaking, saying you cannot explain something that you cannot define. And as we all know, we cannot define gravity, right? Right, kids? We cannot define gravity. And that phrase only means that we can go against something that is seemingly impossible. Okay, naiintindihan? So as we celebrate our 19th year, our message to our students is for you to get out of your comfort zone. Okay? Challenge yourself to do things that cannot seemingly be done. Okay? But as we have observed, kami mga teacher, no? We have observed that most of our students have become complacent in their present. Yung parang kampante na yung mga students kung anong klaseng skill meron sila. Okay? So for example, sa midterm ko, sabi, Sir Randy, okay na sa akin na pa-strum lang ako. Kahit anong word progression niya, kaya ko tutugin yan. And then whenever I teach them music theories, for example, targeting of your notes, mastering your fretboard, somehow I sense na parang they started to feel bored or lack of interest. No? Tulad sa, for example, sa piano, pag binibigyan ng teacher ng mga kesang medyo maraming musical notes, naduduling na, teacher, this is not my comfort zone. No? Ganyan magsalita yung mga kids ngayon, no? And nai-stuck sila dun sa comfort zone nila. And then, the next question there is, may problem ba doon? Okay? Yun yung unang tanong doon. And my simple answer is, no. None. Walang problema doon. Because music is all about happiness and enjoyment. If you enjoy and happy with what you're doing, then so be it. Tuloy nyo lang yan. But the thing is, pag kayo na-stuck sa inyong comfort zone or doon sa present skill nyo, nawawala yung sense of leveling. When we say sense of leveling, nawawala yung value creation nyo as a musician or as an artist. A very good example is Regine Velasquez, Sarah Geronimo. You know Sarah Geronimo, kids? She is a die-hard fan of Regine Velasquez. And during the time of Star of the Night competition, sabi niya, Ate Regine, you know, idol kita eh. Someday gusto kong maging katulad mo. And she did. Sarah Geronimo is now a superstar with a talent fee of 1 million pesos per song. Isang kanta niya, 1 million. And that's what I'm talking all about. If you will stop on your in your comfort zone, yung value creation nyo by leveling up your skill, nawawala. Naintindihan? So how can we get out of our comfort zone? 3 things, mabilisan lang. Number 1, you need to have a sense of mastery. Okay? When we say sense of mastery, at your current skill, dapat master mo siya. Okay? Dapat master niyo muna siya bago mag-level up. Hindi pwede, challenge yourself daw, Teacher Ana. So, ano tayo? Let it go. Frozen. Standard key. Original key. Eh, teka, yung vocal range mo, hindi mo ma-master. So, you need to master it first. Eh, sabi ko, Sir Randy, challenge yourself, defy gravity. Sige, finger style tayo. Eh, teka, yung isang pick nga lang, hindi pa tumatama ng tama sa kada string na dapat yung tamahan. So, tumatawa si Kuya Matthew. So, ibig sabihin, before you level up your skill, you need to master first your skill. Okay, your current skill. Number 2, you need to listen to your coaches. Napaka-importante yan. You need to listen to your teachers. You know, sometimes students, naiintindihan ko kayo. Minsan si teacher may binibigay ng mga kanta, hindi nyo namang gusto. Tama, mali. Minsan yung binibigay ng pyesa, hindi nyo namang gusto. Tama, mali. You need to understand that sometimes your teacher is giving you a certain song because he or she wanted to develop a specific area of your skill. For example, Teacher Ana wants to develop your falsetto. Eh, syempre, hindi ko bibigyan ng Taylor Swift song doon. Syempre, bibigyan ka niya ng kanta na falsetto inclined song. Di ba? So, you need to trust the process and listen to your mentors and coaches. Okay? Number 3, last bigger picture of yourself. Yan. So for example, you want to be Lea Salonga, then you need to develop the quality of your voice. Diba? So kahit may sense of mastery ka, and then you're listening to your teachers, pero wala ka namang bigger picture in the future ng sarili. Most probably, you will be stuck pa rin sa iyong comfort zone. Naiintindihan, kids? So, 3 things. Number 1, have a sense of mastery. Listen to your coaches and teachers. And last but not the least, you need to have a motivation or inspiration. Last one thing na lang po. Since we're talking about defying gravity and getting out of your comfort zone. Ito kanina ko na siya naisip. I know a man who is very passionate in music. No? And he was a choir member before, but he was belittled by his colleagues. Minamaliit siya. Sabi sa kanya, hindi magaling yan, huwag mo lang isang instrument yan, gawin mong second voice lang yan. Naging challenge sa kanya yun, kids. Ang ginawa niya, nag-aral siya ng music. He even joined a lot of singing contests to develop his performance and confidence. He even joined Center for Pop for him to study different music styles. And then, sabi niya, ayaw niyo sa akin ha, mag-create ako ng sarili mong choir. And then he did. He formed his own choir and even arranged their own original songs. And lastly, to show the value he created as a music icon, he built his own music school. And that school is on its 19th year. And that story is a story of my brother, Ranel de los Santos. Palakpakan natin. So, as I end my message to all of our recitalists, remember what I told you, defy gravity, you need to have a sense of mastery, listen to your teachers, have a sense of motivation, and more importantly, enjoy the journey of your music career. Okay? And surely with those, you will defy your own gravity. Magandang hapon po sa inyo.